Yes, I'm back at the museum slash warehouse, and there's a shipping container here today. And it's absolutely empty. No, they've started archiving some of the documents by the looks of it. So, is this shipping container just going to be for the documents? I don't know. Oh, look, we've got some magazines. Random magazines. What are the Deck Professional? Oh yeah, anyone used to subscribe to the Deck Professional? Let us know. Wow. Alright, so it looks like they're starting to do some documents. Anyway, I'm back because I forgot my tripods. I left them, even though I didn't use them, I left them here. Oh. Anyway, I have another rummage through, can't help myself. Now the only problem with the shipping container, while it looks big, and it is, standard 40-foot shipping container, apparently they only have a 12-ton limit for it. So they did some back of the envelope calcs and said if they put all the documents in there, that only equals, 2 feet of documents. So if you fill it up like 2 feet worth of documents, that's enough paper to max out the 12-ton limit. So anyway, there's a bunch of stuff outside. Digital, OEM, DR pack, whatever, MathCAD version 7. There's a whole bunch of like digital computer products, DBase 3, an MS-DOS application. Fantastic. What's in here? Mystery. More digital software stuff. This is all just outside. Nothing. Oh, we got Microsoft C++. Tons of books, just documentation, more digital stuff. It's just tons of HP. 30 multiple regression analysis pack. So that's all the program packs for some HP stuff. Look at that, all shrink wrap. IP messages, volume 3, yeah. It's very noisy on the road here. Fortran and business data processing. Structural design language engineers user manual. Wow. Compact Computer Australia. What do we got? OMS VAX. Wow. Bunch of magazines. Lotus 123G. PIC. No idea what PIC is. There you go. It's another operating system. Not a clue. Gigantic monitor. Oh, what's that thing? Look at that. It's an old calculator. Oh wow. Check it out. Impromptu teardown. There you go. Electromechanical. Very nice. Wow. Oh, it's an Olivetti Logos 240. There you go. For all you Olivetti fanboys.
So,
I was published in them.
really?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, that's how I got my start. Check out this. We found this digital, what looks like just a word processory type thing, and then it's got a data talk button down here. It's actually got an acoustic coupler on the side. So it's some sort of data terminal. That's sweet. Here we go. We found a paper tape program. Look at this. Copyright 75 by Digital Equipment Corporation, and then so beginneth the code. Yep.
The machine code.
Yep. Great. There's probably dozens of these in the archives, I'm sure. Hundreds of them. Check out this oddity. It's an Apple controller interface. It's got outputs, loads, output status bits. LEDs? I don't know what's going on there. Some logic stuff, power, obviously home built, and strip board. Look at that. Wow. Someone put a lot of effort into that. Wonder who? Is it yours? Bueller? Put your hand up. I'm always intrigued by these types of boxes, so let's open it up. And, well, have a look what's inside. Sweet. Oh, look at the acoustic coupler. Wow. Texas Instruments Silent 700 electronic data terminal. Brilliant. Carrier detect. Great. What's on here? Ah, it's just test pattern. So there's still stuff left to be found. I'm going to head back up. Of course, I had to get up on top of the shelves. I'm actually standing on top of one of them at the moment. Check this out. It's an old digital disc cleaner thing. Digital cartridge cleaner. There you go. Fantastic. Yeah, good thing about hopping up here, you can get to stuff that you couldn't ordinarily get to. Look at all those monitors over there. It's incredible. This is great. I know, literally at my feet is a Trash 80 Model 2. Fantastic. The top cover's come off, but I'm going to try and get that one down. It's not in very good condition, and at my feet again, more TRS-80 stuff. Here we go. Look at this software library, disk and other TRS-80, disk 8 and other mysteries, MISC utilities. Yet another Trash 80 box. Oh wow. Manuals. They look like they could be service manuals or something maybe. Discs. Check this out. First thing I get out of the box. That's not interesting. But this is Don McKenzie, who's famously just shut down. He was like practically the first electronic retailer online anywhere in the world, I believe, like selling kits and stuff. That is, anyway, and he just shut down after all this time. And this is the Don mod, fitting 48k of memory into the keyboard of the Trash 80 Model 1. So he gave you all the instructions to do that. Good on you, Don. It's found in the archives. Absolutely brilliant. There we go, there's the Don mod. So you can upgrade the Model 1 level 2, track cuts, and cut the tracks and do whatever. Fantastic. There you go. There's the original Don mod. Ah, wonderful. Sad that he shut down. Some LNW programmable baud rate. I have LNW research. I got no idea what that is. Sorry. Family Relations. The Family Relations Computer System, version 8, written by Robert Moat. What? Print a character of descendants. Oh, okay. It's a genealogy thing, is it? Wow, this is a real eclectic mix of stuff in here. The original, is that, no, buy it for $1. That was the original, like, quick start cheat sheet, control code thing. Nice. New DOS 80 for the Model 1, all that sort of jazz. Wow, there's a ton of old stuff in here. That's just in the first one I opened. And these all look like, you know, someone's personal, like, notebook and stuff with all listings. And did it actually belong to John Saxon? I don't know, but anyway, look at this. Like, we've got all these handwritten assembly language stuff. This is great. Duplicate. Just wow, wow! This was a lot of work on someone's part back in the day. What treasures will we find in this obviously genuine wood grain, realistic cassette album? Wow! Look at, like, this is fantastic. Whoa! Hello. Oh, tapes. Here we go. Let's have a look. Microsoft Editor Assembler Plus. Graphics. Cancelled. What? Keyboard debounce systems. Keyboard fix. You needed a program for that. It's terrific. Backgammon. Nice. Z-Tool. Anyone remember Z-Tool? ASCII. for the TRS-80. What, the Trash 80 didn't come with ASCII? Or was it a game or something? I don't know. Cosmic Patrol. Sargon Invader. System tape. Gold. And how much would have a 1 meg piggyback RAM expansion board cost for whatever HP product that is back in the day? It's probably invaluable to someone, right? Surely. Little bit of an impromptu teardown of this Intel Universal PROM programmer, date unknown. There you go. You can just pop the lid off. It's designed to be popped off because these aren't screws. They're just like, you know, half-turn whatchamacallits, and there's not much in there at all, except these are your logic and programming cards. There you go. Jeez. Okay, looks like they have a separate card for each one. This is a 2716 personality card. So, yeah, that's why the top of this was designed to be easy to get in. Do we have a copyright? Made in the United States of America, USA, USA. But yeah, you would buy the different cards for whatever, you know, it's not like, it's a universal PROM programmer, but it's not like the, you know, the $30,000 Data.io one that we've torn down in a previous video. So yeah, you just put these little personality cards in and whatnot, but that's how you programmed your PROMs for your Intel processors back in the day. Sweet. And I just noticed this up here, which is interesting. Check it out. This HP 150 monitor, and it's more than a monitor. It was one of the first like touchscreen computers. You can see all these holes down here like this. These are infrared transmitters, and there's matching infrared receiver holes down here. I'm sure they'd clog up. Sorry if you can't see that. I'm sure they'd clog up very nicely. You can see the matching holes over there, and you could detect, oh, and of course top and bottom as well, I'm sure you can see. And they would, that was like for the HP 150 computer, which came out in the early 80s, and it was used an 8088 processor, and it wasn't PC compatible, but it ran MS-DOS and stuff, and it's a serial interface to that. So this is like, just like a serial, the monitor was like a serial terminal. How neat is that? And it's got the HPIB, the IEEE 4008, the Hewlett-Packard, the original, the Hewlett-Packard interface bus. Presumably that got the, well, I don't know where, like, I presume that it's like a terminal, and the data came in and out of here, and the HPIB was maybe the touchscreen controller interface, perhaps.